Alright guys, what's going on? How's it going? So connecting to Bootstrap. Before Bootstrap can work for us, we need to link it. In earlier lessons, we linked only to main.css. Now, in addition to main.css, we will link to a URL that hosts Bootstrap. The HTML link element makes Bootstrap available to us. Remember that the link element is typically contained within HTML head tags. Right, so notice the Skillfair webpage to the right and locate the diagonal arrows in the top right-hand corner of the web browser near the HTTP localhost. Click the arrows to toggle the web browser between narrow and full width views and observe the following. Navbar items do not change position as you toggle the web page width. The homemade goods text appears on the far left side of the web page. The photographs increase in size when the web browser is toggled to full width. Social media icons at the bottom of the web page appear disorganized. Run your code after that. Right, I've already done so let's see. Yeah, so this should actually be static. This should be separate. So when you toggle, it remains in place. Yeah, this is quite disorganized, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now we will connect Bootstrap and see changes to the web page layout. In index.html, locate the head element. Inside head, create a link element to link to Bootstrap. And then click run. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and link rel. So bootstrapcdn.com/bootstrap and then /3.3.6 and CSS boo. Bootstrap button. CSS. Let's go ahead and run that. Maybe I made a typo here. Most likely. Yeah. 3.6 CSS bootstrap main.css. I think it's because I'm using single quotes, that's why. But single quotes is correct. So what I'm going to quickly do is I'll just copy this, copy and paste it. And then probably because of the single quotes. If we run that, and there you go, you can see that's correct. But yeah, it's better to type these things out, you know, practice makes perfect. It's very important to improve on your muscle memory. Very, very important. Okay, so before I head on, or before I go forward or head forward, let's just quickly see the difference in the website. As you can see, the photos here have been centered, and it seemed like these icons over here and this writing over here was on float left. They were all in the left hand corner, and it didn't look too good. So yeah, and this also, everything is now more centered. Fantastic. Let's move on. So building with Bootstrap on the grid. Container.jumptron.container.